Now we'll see Lektion or lesson number 8, Meine Wohnung. Meine Wohnung means my home, my apartment, or my flat. So first we'll see this vocabulary. Der Drucker. Der Drucker means the printer. Der Drucker. Das Bett. Das Bett means the bed. Das Bett. Der Head. Head means stove. Der head. Der Computer. Computer means computer. The lamp. Lamp means lamp. The lamp. Washing machine. Washing machine means washing machine. Washing machine. Der Stuhl. Stool means chair. Der Stuhl. The sofa. The sofa means sofa. The sofa. Der Kühlschrank. Kühlschrank means fridge. Der Kühlschrank. Next page vocabulary. Der Schreibtisch. Schreibtisch means desk. Der Schreibtisch. Der Fernseher. Fernseher means TV. Der Fernseher. Der Teppich. Teppich means carpet. Der Teppich. Der Sonnenschirm. Sonnenschirm means sun umbrella. Der Sonnenschirm. Das Bild. Das Bild means the picture. Das Bild. Das Regal. Das Regal means the shelf. Das Regal. Der Tisch. Der Tisch means the table. Der Tisch. The Spülmaschine. Spülmaschine means dishwasher. The Spülmaschine. Der Schrank. Der Schrank means the cupboard. Der Schrank. Der Sessel. Sessel means armchair. Der Sessel. Now we'll see this vocabulary also. Das Bad. Das Bad means the bathroom. Das Bad. Der Flur. Der Flur means the corridor. Der Flur. Das Arbeitszimmer. Das Arbeitszimmer means study room, or you can also say workroom. Das Arbeitszimmer. Das Schlafzimmer. Schlafzimmer means bedroom. Das Schlafzimmer. Das Kinderzimmer. Kinderzimmer means children's room. Das Kinderzimmer. Next, the Küche. The Küche means the kitchen. The Küche. Das Wohnzimmer. Das Wohnzimmer means the hall. Das Wohnzimmer. Der Balkon. Der Balkon means the balcony. Der Balkon. So these vocabulary are very, very important vocabulary. So please you make a note in your notebook and you learn, practice, memorize. Now we'll see 1a. Möbel und Geräte. Möbel und Geräte means furniture and appliances. Möbel means furniture. Geräte means appliances. Furniture and appliances. Wo stehen was means where stand what. Es gibt mehrere Möglichkeiten means there are more possibilities. Ordnen Sie zu. Here zuordnen means to arrange. You arrange. Und vergleichen Sie. And you compare. Like in which room you will keep which furniture. Okay, that they are asking. Like for example, what is in their Küche means what is in the kitchen. So what you will keep in the kitchen, like for example, their head. Head means stove. You can keep their Kühlschrank. Kühlschrank means fridge. Or you can keep. You can also keep this Spülmaschine. Spülmaschine means dishwasher. Next, was is in there? Was is in them? Schlafzimmer. What you will keep in the bedroom, like this bed, the lamp, the stool. So there are more possibilities. Was is in them? Was is in them? Floor. What you will keep in the corridor. Okay. So like this, you can write in your notebook what you will keep where. So one thing you can keep more places like stool. Stool you can keep in Arbeitszimmer, Schlafzimmer, Kinderzimmer or Wohnzimmer. Okay. So there are more possibilities. Next, we'll see eins B. Sie ziehen in die Wohnung in 1A. Means you are shifting in the apartment or in the home 1A. Okay, like this apartment, let us say, this is just activity. Was brauchen Sie noch? What you need still. Ergänzen Sie Möbel und Geräte. Means you complete furniture and appliances. So apart from this, what furniture and appliances you need, okay, that they are asking you. Arbeiten Sie mit dem Wörterbuch. You work with the dictionary. Means you search in the dictionary and you write down here. So apart from this, what furniture and appliances you need. Next, we'll see 2a, Lieblingsorte. Lieblingsorte means favorite places. Favorite places. Wo sind die Leute am liebsten in ihrer Wohnung? Means where the people most preferably in their apartment. Hören Sie und notieren Sie means you listen and you note. So like where these people like to live. Like Eva Neumann, she is a journalist she like to live in Arbeitszimmer. So like this, Jan Peterson, he is a Lehrer. Lehrer means teacher. Where he like to live, that you have to listen and you have to write. Next, Maike Barnes, she is a student in. Student in means student. So where she like to live, that you have to listen and you have to write. Leo Babel, she is an informatiker. Informatiker means computer engineer. So where you like to live, that you have to listen. So I will play the audio, listen carefully and you write down where they like to live.
Kapitel 8 Meine Wohnung. Aufgabe 2a. 1.
Tja, ich bin Journalistin. Wenn ich zu Hause bin, bin ich da eigentlich die meiste Zeit im. Ich arbeite da am Computer, schreibe E-Mails, surfe im Internet, schreibe die Texte für die Zeitung.
2.
Also die ganze Familie sitzt da jeden Abend zusammen. Wir kochen, essen etwas Gutes, sitzen alle an einem großen Tisch und erzählen. Die ist eigentlich das Zentrum unserer Wohnung.
3.
Nach einem langen Tag an der Uni entspanne ich total gern in meinem. Ich habe ein sehr bequemes Sofa, da kann man gut lesen oder fernsehen. Ich sehe besonders gern gute Filme und Reportagen.
4.
Im Sommer bin ich besonders oft und gerne auf dem. Also natürlich nur, wenn das Wetter schön ist. Man kann in der Sonne sitzen, lesen, Kaffee trinken und am Wochenende grillen wir oft.
Okay, so actually these people will tell their activity, what they do that activities. Okay, according to their activity, you have to guess. So which is their favorite room. So like here, Eva Neumann, her favorite room is Arbeitszimmer. So what is a Jan Peterson favorite room? So the favorite room is Küche. He like to live in Küche, kitchen. Okay, Maike Bernas Wohnzimmer. Wohnzimmer means hall or living room. Next, Leo Babel, balcony. Okay, so they will tell the activity, what they do there. So according to that activity, you have to guess the answers. So these are the answers. Just to later listen the audio many times so you can catch the answers. Okay, so now we'll see 2b. Was ist Ihre Lieblingszimmer? Means what is your favorite room? Was machen Sie dort gern? What you like to do there? Erzählen Sie, you tell. So what is your favorite room? What you like to do there? You have to tell. So already I gave 3 answers here. So you can also write your own answers. So like see, for example, mein Lieblingszimmer is Küche, means my favorite room is kitchen. Ich koche gern. I like to cooking. My favorite room is kitchen and I like to cooking. Okay, so also you can write here. Okay, ich koche dort gern, means I like to cook there. You can also add the word here dot. Okay, dot before gern. Okay, means I like to cook there. Meine Lieblingszimmer ist Wohnzimmer. Ich sehe gern fern. Means my favorite room is living room. Ich sehe dort gern fern. Means I like to watch their TV. Here fern sehen is a separable verb. Fern sehen means to watch TV. Next, mein Lieblingszimmer ist Arbeitszimmer. Ich arbeite dort gern. Means my favorite room is workroom or study room. I like to work there. So like this, you can write the sentences. So please, you write your own sentences here, okay, in your notebook. So now we'll see next activity. Dry up. This is Onung Sukha. Onung Sukha means searching for a flat, apartment or home. So see dry up. Carla und Alex suchen eine Wohnung means Carla and Alex searching one apartment. Suchen means to search. Carla and Alex searching one apartment. Lesen Sie die E-Mail means you read the email. Markieren Sie alle wichtigen Informationen über die Annika means you mark all the important information about Annika. So see what Carla and Alex they are writing. See they are writing hello. Wir möchten endlich zusammenziehen. Endlich means finally. Zusammenziehen means shipped together. Shipped together means finally. Endlich means finally. We would like to ship together. Und brauchen eine Wohnung and need one apartment, flat or home. Brauchen means need. We need one flat. Wir suchen eine Dreizimmerwohnung. Means we are searching a 3-room apartment. Okay, suchen means to search. Zimmer means room. We are searching a 3-room apartment. Küche, kitchen, Bad, bathroom, Schlafzimmer, bedroom, Wohnzimmer. Wohnzimmer means hall or living room. Und ein Arbeitszimmer and study room or workroom. Ungefähr 80 Quadratmeter. Ungefähr means approximately. Approximately 80 square meter. Quadratmeter means square meter. Für maximal 700 Euro. For maximum 700 Euro. Und Zentrum and in the center. Gerne mit Balkon oder Terrace. Means they are glad if there is a balcony or terrace. Und sie muss ruhig sein. And it must be peaceful. Ruhig means peaceful. It must be peaceful. Und hell. Hell means bright. When ihr etwas hört, when you all listen something, etwas means something. Ruft uns bitte an. Means please you call us. Here ruft and an is a separable verb. Means to call. Please you call us. 0176 89 44 189. Danke und viele Grüße. Danke und viele Grüße means thank you and warm regard, best regard. Von Carla und Alex. Okay, Carla and Alex. So see, actually in Germany, some places it's very difficult to get accommodation. So what in Germany people they do, they write mail to their friend, colleagues or known people. So if they have any requirements, if they have if they have any requirement or surrounding their any apartment or flat is there, so they inform them. Okay, so in this way you can write the email to your friend, colleagues or known people if you are searching any apartment. Okay, now we see dry bay. Carla und Alex hängen einen Zettel im Supermarket auf. Okay, here aufhängen is a separable verb. Aufhängen means to hang. Means Carla and Alex hanging one paper in the supermarket. Here zettel means piece of paper. Piece of paper. Okay, Miss Carla and Alex hang one paper in the supermarket. Ergensen see the zettel. You complete the paper. So actually, when you are searching any apartment, so German people also write their requirement one piece of paper and they hang in the supermarket. So in the supermarket, when someone has that requirement, so they call them. So how can you write on one paper your requirement if you are searching apartment? So see, wir suchen eine Wohnung means we are searching an apartment. So already I wrote the answers. Actually, you have to write the answers from this mail. So I already wrote here answers. See Zimmer, how many room they want? Drei Zimmer. Größe. Okay, how much should be the size? 80 quadratmeter, 80 square meter. Meter maximal, how much maximum rent they want? 700 euro, 700 euro. Orto means place, where they want? Im centrum, in the center. Wünsche, what is their wish? Balcon or the terrace. They want balcony or terrace. Telephone number. So what is the telephone number? 0176 89 44 189. Okay. So in this way, in Germany, they write their requirement on paper and they hang or paste supermarket. Okay. So whoever has the requirement, means whoever have that apartment, they call them. Okay. So now what is the third way they search the apartments? See, first they wrote email. Okay, you can write the email. You can hang your requirement in the supermarket. And what is another way to search? See, Carla und Alex lesen Wohnung anzeigen. Miss Carla and Alex read apartment advertisements. Anzeigen means advertisement. Hören Sie das Gespräch, means you listen the conversation. Über welche Wohnung sprechen Sie? About which apartment they are speaking. Sprechen means speaking. Is das die richtige Wohnung für Sie? Means is that the correct apartment for them? Warum? Why? So we'll read this advertisement one by one. Okay. And then I will play the audio. Then you have to tell they are talking about which advertisement. So see first advertisement. Ideal für zwei Studenten. Ideal means ideal. Ideal. Ideal for 2 students. Kleine Wohnung, small apartment. Nähe Universität, nearby university. Ohne Balkon. Ohne Balkon means without balcony. Meter rent is 610 euro, 610 euro. Ohne Fläche. Ohne Fläche means living area. 57 Quadratmeter, 57 square meter. Zimmer drei. Next, Anzeige 2, advertisement 2. Drei Zimmer Wohnung, 3-room apartment. Schön, nice, sehr ruhig, very peaceful. Mit großer Terrasse. Mit großer Terrasse means with big terrace. Mit der S-Bahn nur 30 Minuten bis ins Zentrum. Means with the suburban train. S-Bahn means suburban train. Nur 30 Minuten means it takes only 30 minutes to reach in Zentrum, in the center. So here S-Bahn means like when you travel long distance. Okay. So we in Germany, they use S-Bahn and that is called S-Bahn. Okay. Meter 550 euro. Rent is 550 euro. Wohnfläche, living area 79 Quadratmeter and Zimmer drei. Next, Anzeige 3, advertisement 3. Elegante Wohnung, elegant apartment im Zentrum, in the center, mit Balkon, without balcony, sorry, with balcony. Elegant apartment in the center, mit Balkon means with balcony. 16. Stock, 6th floor. Stock means floor, 6th floor. Mit Aufzug, with the elevator. Meter 59 euro, rent is 950 euro. Wohnfläche 68 Quadratmeter. Living area 68 square meter. Zimmer drei, room 3. Next, Anzeige 4. Helle Wohnung means bright apartment. Super für junge Leute means super for young people. Im Zentrum, it is in the center. Direkt an der Hauptstraße means it is directly at the main street. Beim Bahnhof, at the railway station. Meter 800 euro, rent is 400 euro. Wohnfläche 93 Quadratmeter. Okay, means living area is 93 square meter. Zimmer drei, 3 rooms. Next, Anzeige 5. Wohnung mit Südbalkon, apartment with south balcony. Toply renovated. Hell means bright. Centrale means center, in the center. Aber ruhig gelegen, but situated at peaceful location. Situated at peaceful location. Gelegen means situated. Ruhish means peaceful, but situated at peaceful location. Miete 630 Euro. Rent is 630 Euro. Wohnfläche 81 Quadratmeter. Living area is 81 square meter. Zimmer dry. Room 3. Okay. So now I will play the audio. Listen carefully and you write down they are talking about which advertisement. Okay. So listen carefully.
Aufgabe 3c.
Schau mal hier, das klingt gut. Elegante Wohnung im Zentrum mit Balkon, 6. Stock mit Aufzug. Das ist doch super, oder?
Ja, aber lies mal weiter. 950 Euro Miete.
Oh, stimmt, die ist zu teuer. Und die hier?
Okay. So they are talking about which apartment, they are talking about which advertisement, they are talking about dry. Okay. So see this adjective plus sehr zu. So see if you use before the adjective sehr or zu, it indicates it means lot, okay, or much. Like for example, see the Wohnung is sehr teuer, means the apartment is very expensive. So for same sentence, you can also write the Wohnung is so teuer. Both the sentence meaning is same. Okay, means sehr or so. You can use either sehr or so before the adjective. Okay, the Wohnung is sehr teuer means very. Here sehr means very, or so teuer means also very expensive. Okay, so if you want to say like it's more, okay, or very, so we use either sehr or so before the adjective. Okay. So now we'll see Übung Day, dry day. Lesen Sie die andere Anzeigen noch einmal. Means you read other advertisements once again. Sprechen Sie über die Wohnung. You speak about the apartment. Welche Wohnung passt zu Carla und Alex? Which apartment suits to Carla and Alex? Okay. So actually we have to read this advertisement, means according to this advertisement, just you have to discuss which apartment suits to Carla and Alex. Like see Rohish means peaceful, loud means loud, klein means small, gross means big, teuer means expensive, hell means bright, centrale means center, dunkel means dark. So see here some example is given. I already wrote here example like Wohnung 1 is so klein, means the apartment 1 is very small, und ohne Balkon, and without balcony. Okay, so see this is without balcony, no? Now Wohnung 2 passt zu Carla und Alex, aber sie ist nicht in Zentrum. Okay, means apartment 2 suits to Carla and Alex, but it is not in the center. Now third, Wohnung 3 passt auch zu Carla und Alex, aber sie ist zu teuer. Means apartment 3 also suits to Carla and Alex, but it is very expensive. Okay, so like this you have to write the sentences. Okay, so you can write different sentences. So here I have given just examples, so you can write like this examples. Now we'll see Übung 4. So already we have seen in this way different ways. In Germany you can search the apartment, like you can write the mail, you can write your information, your requirement on one paper, and you can hang in the supermarket. You can read the advertisement. So finally the neue Wohnung means the new apartment. So now this Carla and Alex found the apartment. So here Carla and Alex already they found the apartment. So see, here Alex und Carla haben eine neue Wohnung. Means Alex and Carla have a new apartment. Hören Sie das Gespräch, you listen the conversation. Wohin kommt was? Means where comes what? Was möchte Carla? What would like to have Carla? Was möchte Alex? What would like to have Alex? Ergänzen Sie die Tabelle, means you complete the table, und berichten Sie, and you report. So see, already this Carla and Alex, they found the new apartment. Now they are shifting their furniture in that apartment. So in which room Carla want to keep what furniture, and Alex want to keep what furniture. So already here one example is given, like Carla want to keep in the Kusha computer. Okay, so like this, which furniture Carla want to put where and Alex want to put where, that you have to write. Like ins Schlafzimmer means in the bedroom, ins Wohnzimmer in living room or hall, in the Kusha in the kitchen, ins Arbeitszimmer in the study room, and then floor in the corridor. So please listen this audio carefully and you write down the answers.
Aufgabe 4a.
So, wie machen wir das jetzt? Ich denke, den Computer, den stellen wir in die Küche. Da ist es schön hell, da kann ich gut arbeiten.
In die Küche? Mensch, Carla, du wolltest doch unbedingt ein Arbeitszimmer in der neuen Wohnung. Und wir haben extra eine Wohnung mit Arbeitszimmer gesucht. Der Computer kommt natürlich ins Arbeitszimmer.
Findest du? Na gut. Aber den Fernseher stellen wir ins Schlafzimmer. Da kann ich im Bett fernsehen. Das ist doch sehr gemütlich.
Was? Also wirklich nicht. Der Fernseher muss natürlich ins Wohnzimmer. Wir haben doch extra ein neues Sofa gekauft. Da kann man super fernsehen. Aber diesen Schrank hier stellen wir in den Flur. Da ist viel Platz.
Den Schrank? Auf keinen Fall. Den Schrank stellen wir ins Arbeitszimmer. Der ist viel zu groß für den Flur. Aber den Kühlschrank können wir in den Flur stellen. Dann haben Sie in der Küche mehr Platz.
Den Kühlschrank in den Flur? Warum das denn? Den Kühlschrank stellen wir natürlich in die Küche. Kühlschränke stehen immer in der Küche.
Mensch, Alex, du bist immer so konventionell.
Also Carla, wirklich.
So now we'll see the answers. What are the answers? So in Schlafzimmer, Carla want to keep Fernseher. Fernseher means TV. She want to keep Fernseher. Okay. Okay. And Alex want to keep nothing. Okay. He don't want to keep anything. Okay. Next, in Wohnzimmer, Alex want to keep Fernseher und Sofa. Fernseher und Sofa. And Carla want to keep nothing. Okay. Next, in the Kusha, Carla want to put computer, and Alex want to keep Kühlschrank. Kühlschrank means fridge. Okay. Next, Carla in Arbeitszimmer, Carla want to keep Schrank. Schrank means cupboard. She want to keep Schrank. And Alex want to keep what? Alex want to keep? He want to keep computer. Next, Indian floor, Carla want to keep Kühlschrank. She want to keep fridge. And what Alex want to keep? Alex want to keep Schrank. Okay. So when you listen this audio many times, then you can catch these answers. Okay. So please you make a note of these answers. Okay. Now we'll see 4b, 4b. Und Sie and what about you? In welche Zimmer stellen Sie die Dinge? In which room you keep the things? Sprechen Sie zu zweit. You speak in the pair. So already I wrote the answers here. So you can also change here the place. Means like in place of these rooms, you can write the different rooms. Okay. So see what examples I wrote. Ich stelle the sofa ins Wohnzimmer. Means I keep the sofa in living room. Ich stelle das Regal in die Küche. Means I keep the shelf in the kitchen. Ich stelle das Bett ins Schlafzimmer. I keep the bed in the bedroom. Ich stelle den Herd in the Küche. Means I keep the stove in the kitchen. Actually here Head is a their head is a masculine gender, but in accusative their changes to then. Their changes to then, because here their head is a in accusative case. So in accusative their head changes to then head. Okay. So I keep the stove in the kitchen. Stella den Schreibtisch ins Arbeitszimmer. Means I keep the desk in the study room. So this is also Schreibtisch is masculine gender. So in accusative there changes to then. And Stella then computer in Wohnzimmer. So this is also computer is a masculine gender. In accusative there changes to then. Means I keep the computer in the hall. Okay. So in this way you can write the sentences. Now we'll see Fun A. Die Einladung. Die Einladung means the invitation. Lesen Sie, you read. Welche Informationen fehlen means which information is missing. So see this Carla and Alex first they were searching the apartment. Okay, they search apartment. Then they found the apartment. Now they all arrange their furniture. So now they are inviting their friends and colleagues. Okay, to celebrate. Okay, to celebrate that new apartment party. So see the Einladung, the invitation. Lesen Sie, you read. Welche Informationen fehlen. So see, Hallo Freunde. Hallo Freunde means hello friends. The Sonne scheint. The sun is shining. Sonne means sun. Shine means shining. The sun is shining. Das Wetter ist schön means the weather is nice. Die Laune gut means the mood is good. Und unsere Wohnung ist fertig and our apartment is ready. Wir feiern am Samstag in der Hansestraße 11a. Means we are celebrating. Feiern means celebrate. We are celebrating on Saturday in the Hansen Street 11a. Hoffentlich habt ihr Zeit. Means hopefully you all have time. Wir freuen uns schon. We are looking forward. Carla und Alex. Telefon 0176 8944 oder E-Mail an carla123@kxm.de. So suppose if you get this invitation, so what information missing in this email? Can you guess? Can you tell what information is missing? Datum. Datum means date and Uhrzeit. Okay, here date and time is missing. So which date you will go? No, not mentioned. Yeah, Uhrzeit, time. At what time you will go? Yeah. So here only Saturday is mentioned. The Saturday in the month 4 or 5 Saturdays come. Yeah. So which Saturday you will go? Okay. At what time you will go? Yeah. So date and time is missing. So now we'll see Babit, Fun B. Hören Sie den Dialoge. You listen the dialogue. Notieren Sie die fehlende Informationen. Means you note down the missing information. Fehlende means missing. Informationen means information. So you have to listen the audio and you have to make a note of date and time. So please listen the audio carefully and you write down the answers.
Aufgabe 5b.
Carla Schneider?
Hallo Carla, hier ist Tina.
Ach, hallo Tina. Wie geht's dir?
Ja, gut. Du, vielen Dank für die Einladung zu eurer Party.
Gerne. Ich hoffe, du kommst.
Ja, natürlich. Aber an welchem Samstag ist die Feier denn? Auf der Einladung steht gar kein Datum.
Oh nein, wirklich? Also am 3. Juni.
Und um wie viel Uhr?
Ach du meine Güte, steht das auch nicht auf der Einladung? Also um 19 Uhr.
Super, dann sehen wir uns am Samstag. Du, sag mal, kommt Fabian auch?
Okay, so what are the answers? Datum. So on which date it's party? It is on 3rd Juni. Okay, it is on 3rd of June. And time, at what time? It is 9 Uhr. Okay, it's 9 Uhr. Okay. So when you listen this audio many times, then you can catch these answers. Okay. Next, we'll see Funse. This is very, very, very important concept. Okay, email writing. So mostly in the Goethe exam, okay, this kind of mail you get, like someone is inviting you for their birthday party or some celebration. You have to write the mail whether you are attending that party celebration or not. So how to write that mail that it is given here? This is very important. See, beantworten Sie die Einladung. Beantworten means answer. You answer the invitation. Schreiben Sie eine email. You write down one email. So the same thing I wrote, I have created like separate in clear way. I have wrote here. So we'll see how can you write the mail. So if you are accepting their invitation, so how to write the mail? If you are denying their invitation, so how can you write the mail? So see, zusagen. Zusagen means to accept. If you are accepting, how can you write? First you write lieber Carla or lieber Alex, means dear Carla or dear Alex. Vielen Dank für die Einladung, means thank you for the invitation. See, after this you have to give comma and you have to start mail in next line and your first letter must be small. Okay, vielen Dank für die Einladung, thank you for the invitation. Danke für die Einladung, or you can write thank you for the invitation. Ich komme sehr gern, means I come gladly. Ich freue mich auf die Feier. I'm looking forward for the celebration. Feier means celebration. Ich freue mich schon auf Samstag, means I'm looking forward for the Saturday. Samstag means Saturday. Und komme sehr gern, and I come gladly. Kann ich etwas mitbringen? Can I bring along with something? Mitbringen means bring along with. Etwas means something. Can I bring along with something? Ich bringe Kuchen oder Salat mit. Okay, means I bring along with cake or salad. Kann ich meine Freundin, kann ich meine Freundin, mein Freunde mitbringen? Can I come along with my friend? So here, Freundin, female friend, Freund, male friend. Mitkommen, come along with. You can write Liebe, viele or Liebe Grüße, means either viele Grüße or Liebe Grüße, means warm regard, best regard, with Samstag. See you on Saturday. And last, you have to write your name. Okay, so here this slash is there, no? It means like either you can write this phrase or this phrase, this phrase or this phrase, like that. Okay. Absagen. Absagen means to deny or to refuse. So if you are denying, okay, or you are unable to attend that celebration, okay, celebration or party, so how can you write the mail? The first two lines are same. Lieber Carla, lieber Alex, vielen Dank für die Einladung or Danke für die Einladung. Es tut mir leid means I'm sorry. Es tut mir leid means I'm sorry. Aber ich kann nicht kommen, but I cannot come. Or ich kann leider nicht kommen. Leider means unfortunately. Unfortunately, I cannot come. Or you can write ich habe leider keine Zeit. Unfortunately, I don't have time. Ich muss am Samstag arbeiten means I must work on Saturday. Or you can write ich habe am Samstag eine Verabredung, means I have on Saturday one meeting. Verabredung means here meeting. Or you can write ich gehe am Samstagabend, means I am going on the Saturday evening somewhere nach Spanien, nach Berlin or some place. Okay, means I am going Saturday evening someplace. Hoffentlich sehen wir uns bald, means hopefully we meet soon. Actually, this is a phrase. Okay, hoffentlich sehen wir uns bald means hopefully we meet soon. Viel Spaß. Viel Spaß means enjoy a lot. Viel Spaß. Viele oder liebe Grüße means warm regard, best regard. Und bis bald. See you soon. John. Okay. So in this way, you write the mail. Okay. When you are accepting the invitation, you can write above mail. If you are not, you are unable to attend that celebration or party, you can write below.